Hello friends, in the previous video we will discuss the MCQ on Unit 1. In this video we will discuss the paper Knowledge and Curriculum Language Across Curriculum Unit 2 Dimensions of Curriculum Multiple Choice Questions. Who defined curriculum is a tool in the hands of the artist to mold his material according to his ideal in his studio. And the options are A. Tyler, B. Hilda Taba, C. Cunningham, and D. John Dewey. And the correct option is option C, that is Cunningham. In the subject center curriculum, the important element is, and the options are A. Division of knowledge, B. Influence of social values, option C. Mixing of activities, option D. Psychomotor development. And the correct option is division of knowledge. The characteristics of activity center curriculum is, and the options are A. Student interest, B. Training of practical work, option C. Overall development, option D. All of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. The curriculum that consists of the indirect unspoken messages that are communicated to the students is, options are option A. Hidden curriculum, option B. Competency curriculum, option C. Integrated curriculum, option D. Core curriculum. And the correct option is option A, that is hidden curriculum. According to John Dewey, the curriculum should be, and the options are A. Learner Center Curriculum, B. Activity Center Curriculum, C. Subject Center Curriculum, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is Activity Centered Curriculum. Which of the following is not a basis of curriculum formation? And the options are philosophical, sociological, C. Physiological, and option D. Psychological. And the correct answer is physiological. A plan, a purposeful, progressive, and systematic process to create a positive improvements in the educational system is, and the options are A. Curriculum construction, B. Curriculum development, C. Curriculum design, and D. Curriculum implementation. And the correct option is curriculum development. Planning phases of curriculum development does not include, and the options are A. Need assessment, B. Formulation of objectives, C. Selection of industrial methodology, and D. Selection of content. And the correct option is selection of industrial methodology. Curriculum development refers to the total process of curriculum, and the options are A. Designing, B. Implementing, option C. Evaluating, and option D. All above. And the correct option is all above. Which one is not the component of curriculum development? And the options are A. Evaluation, option B. Design, option C. Analysis, and option D. Objectives. And the correct option is objectives. Hilda Taba book Curriculum Development Theory and Practice is published in option A in 1952, option B in 1962, option C in 1949, option D in 1960. And the correct option is 1962. Hilda Taba book Curriculum Development published in 1962. The model of behavioral objectives of curriculum evaluation was presented by option A. Tyler, option B. Hilda Taba, option C. Stephen Beam, and option D. John Dewey. And the correct option is Hilda Taba. First step of Hilda Taba's model of curriculum development is options are option A. Formulation of objectives, option B. Selection of content, option C. Selection of learning experiences, option D. Diagnosis of need. And the correct option is diagnosis of need. The book by Tyler named Basic Principles of Curriculum and Instructions describing his model was introduced in blank year. And the options are option A 1949, option B 1952, option C 1962, option D 1960. And the correct option is option A, that is 1949. Who defined curriculum as a plan for action or a written document includes strategies for achieving desired goal? And the options are A. Stenhouse, B. Tyler, option C. Pryor, option D. Monroe. And the correct option is option B. Tyler. Teaching and learning combines to make option A. Curriculum, option B. Instruction, option C. Classroom, and option D. Syllabus. And the correct option is curriculum. Syllabus is a part of options are A. Curriculum, option B. Classroom, option C. Activities, option D. Society. And the correct option is option A. Curriculum. All experiences of the children for whole school education assumes responsibility is that of options are option A curriculum activities, option B co-curricular activities, option C school program, option D curriculum. And the correct option is option D curriculum. A systematic arrangement of a subject for a particular standard is options are option A curriculum, option B syllabus, option C textbook, option D classroom. And the correct option is option B syllabus. The chairperson of the National Steering Committee was options are A. Professor Yashpal, option B. Dr. Krishna Kumar, option C. Professor Arvind Kumar, option D. Professor Gobal Guru. And the correct option is option A. Professor Yashpal. The acronym of NCF 2005 stand for Option A, National Curriculum Framework 2005. Option B, National Common Framework 2005. Option C, National Class Framework 2005. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, National Curriculum Framework 2005. Teacher as per NCF 2005 is, options are option A, boss, option B, leader, option C, facilitator, and option D, all of the above. And correct option is option C, that is facilitator. NCF proposes the evaluation system should be based on, options are A, marks, B, grades, C, both marks and grades, and options D, none of the above. And the correct option is B, grades. National Curriculum Framework draws attention on other curricula area such as, options are A option, the art and heritage crafts, option B, health and physical education, option C, peace education, and option D, all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. In NCF curriculum areas, multilingualism as a resource come under subject, option 1 A, science, option B, social science, option C, language, option D, mathematics. And the correct option is option C, language. Thank you for watching this video.